Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create TikTok account from your computer. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open any browser on your computer and go to www.tiktok.com from the address bar. Now click Login from the top right corner. Then click Sign Up from the bottom. From the Sign Up section, click Use Phone or Email. Choose your birthday. Then enter the phone number you want to create your account with. If you want to create your account with email address, click Sign Up with Email. Now enter the email address and then create a password. Then click Send Code. A 6-digit verification code has been sent to your email address. Now go to your email and check. Open the email from TikTok. Enter this code on the Sign Up section. Then click Next. Create a username for your account. Username must be unique, which can only contain letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Then click Sign Up. That's it. Your account has been created successfully, and you have been logged into your account. So in this way, you can create TikTok account from your computer. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.